So today in this video I'm gonna be making a game in just 7 days, and the theme is cut 1 grows 2 and the condition is scarce resources. So I started with creating a new project in Unreal, which was a blank first person project.
2,000 years later.
Creating the project done. As the theme was cut 1 grows 2, the only game was in my mind is farming simulation. So I decided to make a game farming simulation. So I made a to-do list which was having all the things that I had to do. So I made some art and completed the UI, and then I made the farming area, which was an actor just having a mesh and a material of farm. And in the event graph, I just put some blueprint that if you press F, it opens up the place seed UI. So after 4 days, we completed the UI as well as the farm area. So far we made a lot of progress in the game. So today I made this farming simulation drawing in Krita. So day 5 over, and I made this thumbnail for the game. So on day 6 and day 7, I wrote the tutorial for the game, and I also made the main screen as well as the mini and game log screen. So the main agenda of this game is, and also I added the music, so that in tutorial screen we can understand what this game, what the concept of this game is. So basically, the character is a poor farmer called Joe. His aim is to buy the house, which is of worth 2,000, and he had to buy it by farming a lot in just 2 minutes. So this is how the game works. So if I start the game, I added this on-screen UI as well for time counter, wallet, and for number of seeds, as well as number of carrots, beetroots, and beans. So this is the so far progress, and I'm done with my game. So day 6 and day 7 has been completed, and I'm all done with my game. So now it's time to upload the game. So now I uploaded the game on Twitch, and now it's time to play the game. So Monday, aka Manmake, is going to play my game, and he also is going to give me suggestions for the game. So let's go ahead and call Monday.
What is up everybody, I am Manveer aka Maniac. So today in this video, I'm gonna review this game called Farming Simulation by Brave Programmer. So this game was made in 7 days, a week if you didn't know by any chance. But anyways, let's play it. Alright, so first impression, UI is pretty cool and I like the music track as well. Alright, so I have 180 seconds to earn $2,000. Sounds interesting. Let's see how far can I get. So I played this game and somehow I managed to get $1,890 in 180 seconds. But there are a few bugs that I want to talk about. First, the timer went to 0 and I kind of stressed out, of course, because I was so close. But the timer went in negative numbers, so that's a bug I guess. And also the UI is kind of irresponsive sometimes, like I cannot exit out of some panels by clicking, but pressing tab works. The last thing I would like to say is that you can make the timer after for harvesting more visible to the player, because I came to know from you that there's a timer for harvesting, so maybe you can move it in front of the player so that we can easily notice it. So overall, I really enjoyed the game. I really liked the UI, like you had different counters for the seeds planted and like that. And I also like the short story of the game, like there's a poor farmer and you have to buy him a house and that costs $2,000. That's pretty cool. Also, you had a variety of seeds, that's awesome. But the only thing missing was, I would say, the UI elements, like an end screen or maybe a game over screen. And you said that as well.
So yeah, somehow I managed to make this game in 7 days. So there are some issues in the UI. So if you win, you can't see the win UI, and also uh, you can't see the lose UI. So sorry for the bugs. I'll fix that. That's not a problem.
But overall, this game was very enjoyable. I really liked playing it. So according to your week, I think it's awesome. Good job. And thanks for having me here.
Thank you, Manvi, for playing the game and also for your suggestions. So soon I will implement on Manvi's suggestions. And thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.